Hi, welcome to India Food Network. You're watching Veggie World with me, Arina. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a health drink known as a broccoli booster. Broccoli has great antibacterial and antiviral qualities. It has calcium as much as milk. So if you want to know what goes in, keep watching. Let's take a look at what we need to make the broccoli booster. 1 cup of broccoli cut into small florets, 10 ml of lemon juice, 1 apple cut into chunks, and a few cubes of ice. Let's start by taking all the ingredients in the blender. The broccoli, the apple chunks, and the lemon juice. And you just blend all of these till they're smooth. Now that this is done, we'll take a tall glass, fill it with a couple of cubes of ice, and pour out the juice. There you have it, a super healthy broccoli booster. It's a great drink to have during the monsoons to keep the viral at bay, and it also keeps your immune system strong. So if you like this recipe and would like to learn more, subscribe to India Food Network. If you have any other questions or comments, do write in to us. Till then, stay tuned.